how to work out which estate agent company is best for you is actually one of the 20 units in the course that I'm releasing later this year. So I thought it's worth just putting a quick video together now. So quite often, someone I know will put the house on the market and I will say, why did you choose to use that estate agent? Invariably, they'll come out with an answer, something along the lines of, oh, my mate Bill plays darts with him down the pub. And I'll say, yeah, that's great. He's probably a really good darts player and fairly good at drinking. But what's their ability like to get the best money for your house? Probably the biggest thing you'll ever likely sell in your entire life. And they go, well, I don't really know. All estate agents are the same, aren't they? This is the thing, they're not. They're really not. They can vary so much. Obviously, with any sort of business, career, whatever, you get the good, you get the bad. The good ones do what they say they're going to do. They're honest, they're reliable, they're trustworthy. The other ones, none of the above, and can quite often be quite lazy, not what you want. So the other thing that people quite often aren't aware of is estate agents will generally specialise in certain particular price brackets or styles and types of homes. So you'll get ones who focus on the lower, cheaper end of the market. You'll get ones that focus on the higher, more expensive end of the market. You'll get those who are mid-range market. But you also get ones who specialise in farms, land, equestrian, etc., etc. So it's really important of not only finding someone who's really good and does what they say they're going to do, but also that you're in the right bracket. Because if you've got a high value home and you've got it on with someone who specialises in lower end of the market, they're not going to be best placed to sell your house. So what's also brought this to my attention this week is about 4 weeks ago I viewed a property. The estate agent followed me up the following day. He said, what are your thoughts on it? I said, it's really nice, etc., etc. I can't actually make any decisions until the 18th of July. Now, I quite often say stuff like this and I chuck it out there as a bit of a test to kind of suss out people and see if they do what they say they're going to do. He said, okay, fine, no worries. So on the 21st of July this week, I had a phone call from him. He said, hi there, just following up and see how you're getting on, what your thoughts are, etc. And I just thought this is absolutely brilliant. To most people, this will seem really simple, and it is, but this guy did what he said he was going to do, and a lot of them don't. So now this has put a marker there, so I know that actually this guy's quite good. So in the future, he might be someone I consider working with. You'd be so surprised at how many people don't pay attention and don't follow up and don't do what they say they're going to do. So if this or anything like this is of interest to you, please do head over to the website, sign up to the newsletter, and you'll be first to know about more exciting things in the future. See you next week. Bye.